Hi, third grade. Going to review the last part of your review guide before you take your assessment tomorrow. Okay, so I think, yeah, you guys started on this page. And this first one says to trace the boundary of this shape. I kind of did that with you guys the other day. And then find the perimeter. So what I did is I counted up how many threes there were. I got 6 of them, so I did the 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So basically 6 threes added all together to find the perimeter because it's the measurement of all the outside of the shape. And I got 18, and I showed my work over here. You have to show your work. And then on this one, it specifically wanted you to put the unit. So the unit is just what label it has next to it on the shape. So 18 feet should be your answer. And then just explaining exactly what you did. Where you showed your work. So I found the perimeter by adding up all the sides of the shape. Next one, this is finding perimeter and area. I highlighted each one so you wouldn't be confused about which one you were doing. So perimeter I've been highlighting in pink and area in blue. And I put my work in the corresponding color. So here's my work for perimeter right here. So what I did was I counted that there were 1, 2, 3 across this way, so I could put the 3 centimeters, which also tells me that down here is 3 as well. And then I counted on this side too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I put 6 centimeters there, which means that this side is 6 as well. And then I just added those up. So that's why I did 6 plus 6 plus 3 plus 3. And I got 18. Okay, so that was perimeter. Now for area, I just went ahead and I counted each individual box inside. And there were 18 of those boxes. So weirdly, both of these are 18, area and perimeter. This next one. So this looks a little bit messy, but I'll tell you what I did. So I found the perimeter first. It wanted us to find the perimeter and area in order to know if we agreed with what this student said. He said that it was 25 feet for the perimeter and 25 feet for the area. So we had to confirm if they were both 20 feet. My perimeter is right here. I did the same thing as what I did up above. I just counted each by doing jumps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I put 5 feet there. And then I did the one underneath too, and I realized that one was 5 as well, which made me realize that it was a square, so all of the sides are the same. So I put 5, 5, 5, and 5 on the sides. Then I just went and added up all those sides together, and I got 20. Okay, find an area. I just went and put the numbers inside the boxes, and I got 25 square feet. So it's asking me if I agree with Jonah and to explain. I said I do not agree with Jonah. The length of each side is 5 feet, so I added 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 to get the perimeter of 20 feet. When finding the area, I counted all the squares inside the shape. The area is 25 square feet. And the reason that I don't agree with him is because he said that both of them were 25, and that's not true. This next one is just asking about area. Remember, when they don't give you the numbers already written in here, you can find them yourself just by counting how many boxes there are going down. 1, 2, 3, which is the same thing as how I told you guys that to find out how many rows and columns there are. So there's 1, 2, 3 rows, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns. So it is a 3 by 7 rectangle, and you can either count up all the boxes inside to find out what the area is, or you can just do 3 times 7. I just did 3 times 7. Oops, it doesn't equal 2, it equals 21. Okay. So that one just wanted the area. Make sure you're paying attention to what it's asking. And this last one, this may look a little bit familiar. um, did you notice that they flip-flopped the area and perimeter on here on some of the other questions? The perimeter was first, like notice on this one, perimeter was first and then area. But on this one, area is first, then perimeter. So don't let them trick you. Okay, so I did area first. I just went and counted up all the boxes inside. The area is the inside. And then for perimeter, I did my jumps where I did 1, 2, 3 in order to find the 3. And I know that this side is 3 as well then. And same with below. I did 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 units on the top and bottom. And then I just added them together. So 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4. And that equaled 14. Okay, so if you guys need more review, you want a little bit more practice before your assessment tomorrow, something that would be very helpful would be to get out those cards from the area and perimeter game and try the area and perimeter on the card that you draw. Okay, do that for a couple of them, and that should get you feeling ready for tomorrow.